how to invest $1,200. The reason why I'm saying $1,200 instead of $1,000 is because right now the government is giving money to many Americans. Why not get some ideas on how to spend that money? So we're gonna start with number one. The best way to start investing that money is in yourself. Be greedy. You have to take care of yourself first before you can take care of others. So if you invest that money for yourself, whatever format you choose, either through education, through health, through past due bills, anything and everything to get you up to a better standard will help. Hear me out and understand that you are the best investment. So invest in yourself. Number two is books. Books are incredible. They've changed my life. I have so many because they make me a better person, because they give me knowledge, they give me experiences, they give me insight, they give me stories of other people's mistakes, successes, formulas, structure on how to be successful, on how to be a better person, how to not make mistakes. Books open up doors. They open me up to ideas. They open up my imagination. Books are the gateway to become a better elevated person. Right here on my desk, I have my go-to books that I'm reading right now. One is called Rework, and that's a great startup guide to like starting a business, starting a hustle or anything. Tony Robbins, Money Master the Game. Right now we're in crazy times, so I'm studying the principles. On my desk, I have more books about depressions and recessions and how to come out ahead, because I want to get ideas and frameworks on how to come out ahead in difficult times. And that's what keeps me motivated and optimistic, by reading stories of people who have triumphed and believing and knowing that I can do the same. So that's why books are incredible. Like I said, I have way more. Let's go take a look at them, because I honestly think books are gonna be the most priceless and the most bang for your buck. Here are a couple more books. I'm into internet marketing, so I got some of Russell Brunson's books. Dean Graziosi's Millionaire Success Habits, Iconic Advantage, a marketing book. Invincible Influence, a marketing book. Kind of, by Jonah Berger. I got his other book, Contagious, amazing book. Founders at Work, more inspiration on starting a successful business, side hustle, whatever. Talks about a lot of the top companies that you see now, PayPal, eBay, so many stories. Paid to Think, Irresistible Offer, Why Flip a Coin, Why We Make Decisions We Do, Persuasion, 48 Laws of Power. This book is amazing for just personal development. Oh, can't forget Tony Robbins, Awaken the Giant. Think and Grow Rich, a must-have. If you don't have it, go purchase it. $10, man. And then I have all these up here, way more, but I'm not gonna give you in detail what they are. I think I should make a video by itself on 100 of the best books, and I will. So subscribe to the channel for that video. Honestly, again, books are a bargain for what you can get from what they give you. Honestly, the trade-off of what they give you, insane. Number three, courses. Right now, screw going to school, screw going to college. You can't even go to college right now with being quarantined, or at any time in the day, or whenever you're watching this, maybe in the future, in a year or two, and you want to invest money, $1,200. Courses are going to be your best friend, runner up to books. Some of the best courses are in any specific topic, taught by a certified, qualified teacher. What do I mean by that? For example, I just got Masterclass. It's $180, not an affiliate. I don't even have links, I think. Maybe I should. I'm gonna look for an affiliate link, and if I can find one, I'm gonna put it down there. I just got it. I'm watching business strategies and business lectures from Bob Iger, CEO of Disney. Someone I would never have access to. Well, never say never, actually. Someone who I would most likely not have access to right now or soon, better said. Maybe in the future, gonna meet him. Gonna ask him some questions on running a multi-billion dollar company. And Masterclass gives you access to these instructors. Other courses that you should buy are courses from people you look up to. When I first started entrepreneurship, Tai Lopez really brought me into this world, tried to buy his course, and I did, and honestly, it changed my life, changed my perspective. Some of his amazing courses are like the 67 Steps. He has one called the 12 Foundation Principles. He has some entrepreneur startup courses called the Blue Belt, Yellow Belt. Those are pretty hidden. Persuasion courses. He has a whole bunch. I bought in maybe like $3,000 worth of courses from Tai Lopez, and again, it's changed the way I view things. Being taught and explain new concepts that you don't get at other places like school or trade school, it's priceless. Or just to get it in the convenience of your home. Just sit down, watch, take notes. Here are a lot of the notes that I have. I have this whole notebook filled with notes of all the courses that I've taken myself, and I've leveled up. I think very differently. All the knowledge, I can turn it into cash because just with a couple of things and key insights and insider secrets that I now know, I can make money from thin air. So if you're looking into getting the best ROI with $1,200, investing in books and investing in courses can easily give you the capabilities and skills to make money instantly for an infinite quote-unquote ROI. Next up, a laptop. You need a laptop nowadays. Why? Because it's a powerhouse. What you can do in a laptop, you can edit videos, you can upload videos, you can make courses, you can create content, you can write blogs, you can the reason why I don't say a smartphone is because smartphones are developed to A, take your money because of apps, and B, be addictive and always just be there and be a consumer. Be a producer, be an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs create content, they create products. Learn how to code. I'm not necessarily saying get a MacBook or get any specific type of laptop, but just get a laptop, get into work mode. A laptop gives you that capability. A phone does not. Even though, oh, but what if I do a quote-unquote side hustle as being an Instagram manager or this or that? Nowadays, you can do it off the laptop. The apps and services that they provide to do those types of gigs are way better on the laptop. You can do Photoshop, you can do computer graphics. There's an endless of creative things that you can do on a laptop that are just so limited on a phone. And again, I just don't like that. My phone is just addictive. Always getting notifications. I turn they want to push notifications on my laptop. I say no, turn them off, screw that, no. I don't want to be distracted at every moment. My phone is very distractive. So if you don't have a laptop, or if you're thinking about getting a new one, honestly do it. Speed is priceless. Paying for speed, the convenience of, like for this one, this laptop is $1,200, but it has an SSD drive and it's just, you flip up the screen and it's flawless. Get a piece of equipment like a laptop to create and make money. We're investing here. Get a positive ROI is being able to have proper equipment to make you money, help you make money quick. We're on number 5, all right? Hopefully I don't lose count. Number 5 is a car. And a car, why? Because I think we all need a car. For $1,200 to get the best investment out of $1,200 in a car. And hear me out, a car, because we all still need to move around, we need to travel. I've been going to, even though I work from home, from my desk, I still go to networking events, I still have to get there. And honestly, to have no trouble, no inconvenience, I'm scared to take an Uber personally, just me. I don't like being in a car with random people. A Camry, I have a 1999 Camry. It's an amazing car, super reliable, super cheap. And why is it such a great investment? It's because of that, because of the reliability, the cheapness. And I'm really recommending a Camry or a Toyota, anything from 2000. Those cars you can buy it for $1,200. And then here's the magical thing of why it's an investment. You won't be thinking of, I want a Lambo, I want a Range Rover, I want a Suburban, I want a Camaro, any of high-end car that's gonna cost you $20,000, $20,000 to $80,000, depending whatever the heck you like at the moment. You can say, I have a reliable car, I don't need to change it. And that's why I recommend getting that car, because it takes away distractions. That's a key thing. It takes away distractions. It's honestly helped me, because as people, we always want stuff, especially a car. And if you don't have a car, I would say that car. And if you do have a car, sell it, get more capital. Okay, now we're getting more capital. If your car's worth $5,000, sell your $5,000 car, get a $1,200 car, and then keep the rest and invest. Now you have more money to invest, and you have an amazing car. To me, it's an amazing car. Number 6 is security. Number 6, security means anything that makes you feel safe, anything that gives you peace, anything that will stop distracting you from the things that you need to do. I'm here working sometimes, and I'm like, oh gosh, my bills need to pay. I'm getting scared. Pay your bills. Oh gosh, what if I get old one day and I don't have money? Invest in an IRA, 401k, whatever makes you feel secure, whatever takes away that sense of being scared. Do you need toilet paper? I don't have toilet paper. Go out and buy the toilet paper. Security, if you don't feel safe within yourself, you can't focus on the things you need to do. This was me a couple months ago. I sincerely was working, and for some reason I got scared that I would not have money for whatever reason. And I needed to have that security of having money in a savings account. Personally, me, a savings account. What did I do? I opened up a Wealthfront account. I was earning interest on my money just being there, and just seeing my money there made me feel safe. Since it made me feel safe, I can go on with my day, I can work, I can continue working on my goals. But for some reason, as humans, we're always gonna have that need and have that thing that, oh gosh, I'm scared. For whatever reason, whatever that thing is that you're scared of, cover it with these $1,200. Number 7, pay down debt. The best return on your money is paying down debt you already owe. For example, it's a guaranteed win. If you owe 6% APR on your car and you send that money, you now have to pay $1,200 less on 6%, and you save what that you have to pay on that interest. Paying off your debt where you have interest is an immediate ROI, because then you don't have to pay the interest on it. We're only working with $1,200, so it can only go so far. But if it's credit card debt, yes, please pay down your credit card, because those credit card companies, they really like to get you with like 25% APR. That's insane. Pay down that credit card debt, get rid of it. It's an instant ROI. Number 8, invest your $1,200 in side hustle capital. A side hustle means you have a extra gig on the side of your current job. So you're not gonna leave your job, you're just gonna start something else on the side. Reselling shoes, reselling Supreme stuff, reselling, I don't know, opening up a little eBay store where you go through thrift shops and get merchandise, get clothing, whatever niche you wanna go into, buy that, build up your inventory for your side hustle. Having side hustle capital so you can make extra money that gives a positive ROI. Number 9, we have startup capital. What's the difference between startup capital and side hustle capital? Startup capital is that you're gonna work on a business, a legitimate business. I don't wanna say that reselling isn't a legitimate business, but it's the mentality and the way you perform it. A side hustle, a side gig hustle, you do it on the side of a job. Starting it up, you go full-time, embed yourself, you're gonna live off this, you're quitting your job, you're gonna resell shoes as a living, you're gonna make those $100,000 reselling shoes, you're gonna make $100,000 plus on your eBay store, on your Amazon store. You're using this money to go all in, and that's what I consider a startup capital. For me, startup capital is having money in my business account, business checking account for advertising, because what I do is I sell info products, I sell online digital courses, I sell a lot of things online. So my capital that I need for my business is advertising. So that's where I'm investing money into my business that way, and that's where I live off of, where I work from. It's not a side hustle thing. It used to be. It started off, so I would recommend, if you're first starting off, start as a side hustle, then work yourself up to a full-on legitimate business where you have everything straight, from your books to your taxes to tax planning to how you're gonna reinvest and grow your business, scaling, hiring people. Number 10, and this one's gonna be a controversial one, that one thing you've always wanted. What do I mean by that? Well, a year ago, I wanted Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I don't know why. It's something you truly have always quote unquote wanted it. And the reason why is because you just want to get it over with. People think that once you have the latest and greatest, or the thing that you've always dreamed of, your life is gonna change. Your life is gonna be 10 times more amazing. Trust me, it's not. When I wanted a high-end iMac and I got it, it was just a computer. When I wanted not just a MacBook, iMac, because I wanted to work on portable, that's just something I truly wanted. I wanted a laptop, I got it. Life continues. It's not more amazing. If you want a super extravagant car, $1,200 is gonna hopefully give you a down payment. Again, something bougie I would consider. Just get it over with, and it's not the best ROI, but it's just gonna get you thinking, oh wow, it wasn't worth it. It's just something that you have here, and you just need to wipe it off. Go get it. It's fine. You know, treat yourself. $1,200. You know, it's not gonna be the most positive ROI. It's hard for me to explain the psychological sense of once you have it, you'll get over with it, and then you won't keep wanting things of that sort. And then you can just continue working, and then you're gonna have less capital, so you're gonna have to work harder. That's a toughie one. Maybe one that I would not recommend, but for some people, they just always wanted that one thing. Go get it. It's fine. Number 11, a mentor or a coach. Pay someone for the time. Pay someone to help guide you. Pay someone to help you unwind, to put you on track. When you pay someone, they're gonna put their best effort. I know that I've paid for mentoring and I've paid for coaching, not directly, but not indirectly, group coaching. And it's amazing, the information, the insights, the way they help you is unreal. It's uncomparable to getting advice from your mom, from your cousin, from your brother or sister. Their advice is spot on. They're doing it. That's their gig. That's why they are a coach. They are a mentor. If someone is super high profile and you want their time, offer them $1,000 for an hour, half an hour, but be prepared with questions. Be prepared. Don't just waste their time. Don't just pay them for them to hear you rant. No, pay them to actually help you figure out and go on a good path and find out how should I start this business? What's the best way? What should I buy? How should I tackle this? How should I do my marketing? How should I increase my sales? How can I charge people more? What other services can I provide? I don't know, but I need to talk to someone. Well, get a coach or a mentor. Number 12, this is my favorite. This is one I've been doing repeatedly. I buy my time. Sometimes I just need time for myself to read books. Sometimes I need time to find myself. I buy my time. How do I do that? I pay my bills ahead of time. I don't have to worry about it. I don't want to work. I don't want to be quote unquote making money. So these $1,200 that I quote unquote didn't work for, probably gonna pay it back in taxes. I'll pay things ahead. I won't worry about, I need to cover this bill, I need to cover that. And then I can take time for myself and read, take my courses, create extra content. Buying time. I know it's a hard concept to, again, transfer because, oh, he's just making up things. No. Buying time where you don't have to worry about going to a job. If you have a job, being able to call out and not taking the pay and covering it with this $1,200, being able to cover it with money. Buying time to just do the things you want to do things that would get you money, would make you money. I used to call out from work and just stay home and make a video because that's just what I wanted to do. It fulfilled me. I bought my time by calling out, not getting paid, and doing something fulfillful and just becoming a better person. And to me, it is a positive ROI. And that's just an idea. That's just another idea from me to you. And those are 12 ideas on how to invest your money. How to invest $1,200. My name is Brian. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more entrepreneurial investor type of videos, subscribe. If you'd like to connect and talk, the best way to reach me is on my Instagram at Brayan Carrera Ace. I do offer some coaching and mentorship for anyone who's interested. Just putting it out there. We can talk about marketing, we can talk about a business plan, helping you to get on track, mindset, paradigm shifts. So my goal with this channel and my goal overall is to help people transition from thinking linearly, thinking traditionally, to thinking more abstract, more out there, going above and beyond and doing more for themselves and for others. Tony Robbins says it best himself, the secret of living is giving. I truly believe that. So if I can make myself a better person, then I can help other people be better people. But first I need to work on me. That's why number one is yourself. And some valuable mentions are, why did I not say stocks? And the reason why I didn't want to say invest in stocks is because stocks is a psychological trigger, I would say it's more of a harm than a good for people, especially with a little bit of money, because you're pouring in $1,200, and when you hit a red day and your stocks go down, ooh. And then I know I just started investing and I'm always looking at my phone. Did it go up? Did it go down? That doesn't matter. Stocks are for the long term. If that's investing for the long term. And I don't want to recommend that just putting your money there and that being your only money. Honestly, a better investment is on a side hustle or an actual business that you're starting, or in yourself, where you can then yourself be in control and take charge of how much income you want to make. In stocks, you just gotta go with the flow. And that's why I did not want to say stocks. Just a quick mention if anyone was gonna put, why didn't you say stocks? Have a great day. My name is Brian once again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.